because he has to file the case. Then the file goes to Mumbai, then it goes to Delhi. This is what the procedure the Navy says. It goes 2-3 stages are there. That's why it is taking 1 year. No matter what it is, I would suggest one simple solution. One is subdivision plan. You directly mention there, coloring code. This subdivision plan, whatever 40 plots, they come under funnel zone, so that the buyer knows it. Similarly, the construction license also, no? Even if the Navy gives us a plan wherein they say, okay, from the airport to Sankwar Panchayat, the distance is 4 km. This 2 km, the height is 7 meters. This 4 km, the height is 3 meters, or next 8 meters, whatever it is. What we will know the survey number and the height. Why we need technical people? Once the Navy gives one big plan, we can put it in the panchayat itself. The people who are coming now, we can see, Are Baba, he is 2 kilometers. What is the height? 7 meters. We will see the height of the building. Secretary, he is technical person. Secretary will see the height of the building. If it is within 7 meters, we can issue directly construction license. Why every time a single person has to go to the Navy to obtain an NOC? If they give a color coding directly, 3 km, 2 km color wise, we also know 3 km, 5 meters height, and the other color coding, it is 4 meters height. So the job of the government is to simplify the procedure, not complicate the procedure. So common man, he takes so much of loan and so much of money is involved in that. He is taking loan from the neighbors, loan from the bank, and so much of pressure is there for a common man to construct one residential house. Even small multi-dwelling families, flats also, like 4 joint families are constructing 4 flats, 5 flats and above. Even those people have to approach the Navy for NOC. So all these things, when you simplify it, then only the panchayat will be able to do it expeditiously, the construction license. Otherwise they put the blame on the panchayat also, that panchayat in file अडकून दवरला 2 वर्ष झाले 1.5 वर्ष झाले. Panchayat has no role in it. Panchayat duty is to give the construction license as fast as possible.
कसे बांधले बाहेर तुम्ही लोकांना अडयता, तुमकां जाय ते तुम्ही करता. हेजे पयलो हेजे नेव्ही बाहेर ते इतली व्हडली बिल्डिंग आहा तेजे कितें एक्शन घेतला तुम्ही? मोडा आनी त्यो दाखया, त्यो पयलो मोडा. भितर बांदता त्यो 10 फ्लोरी बांदता त्यो मोडा पयलो. तुम्ही लोकां जनरल पब्लीक आहा, जेगे प्रॉपर्टी आहा, तांकां तुम्ही हॅरस करता. हे हॅरस करपा तेणे बंद करचें. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता इवन हायकोर्टान जे जजमेंट दिला थंय खंय तरी आदोगादान खंय तरी हे सारकें प्लीड केलें ना. लोकांची सेंटिमेंट आहा, लोकांचे मांडपा जाय थंय, ते हायकोर्टान सारकें मांडलें गेलें ना. सो ताका एक ऑल्टरनेटीव आतां सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो सुप्रीम कोर्टान हांवें आयकलें PDA वचपा तयारीचे आहा. सपोज PDA जाय, आमी सपोर्टीव म्हणून आमी थंय एंट्री मारता PDA हेल्प करपाक. कित्याक आमकां जाय हो इशू फूल एंड फायनल सेटल जाल्लो. आयज आमी जर पळयशी बॉम्बे एअरपोर्ट, इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट, थंय तेणी नॉर्म्स घालून दिल्ले आहा, खंय कितली हायट जातली कितलें. थंय ते नेव्ही जावं एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी इनवॉल्व जायना. कित्याक आर्किटेक्टराक खबर आहा बाबा इतले हायट पर्यंत आहा, ते हायटी प्रमाणे तांकां कन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता. हांगा हे कितें आडयता आमकां? हांगा लोकांक कितें त्रास करता? कित्याक एक आदोगाद अबावट येवन हांगसर पावटी मारता. बिंग अ एडवोकेट, तेगे फायल ताणें आडोवन दवरल्या 2.5 वर्स जालीं. रिजन काय ना. अशें कितले जाणां फायली आडोवन दवरल्या. हेजे कितें तरी जावपा जाय. हेजे खंय तरी सरकारान एक मूव करपा जायो. सरकारान हेजे एक्शन घेवपा जाय. आनी नाजाल्यार PDA बरोबर आयज आमी मुखार सरता आनी लोकां पासत आमी आमचे पासत न्हू, लोकां पासत आमी जेगे प्लॅन बी हाडून दवरल्यात तांचे पासत आमी कोर्टान वचपा तयारी दवरता.